The reason most people lose leg strength after 60 isn't just getting old. Research shows it's partly because our bodies become less efficient at repairing and rebuilding muscle tissue as we age. Simple things like standing up, climbing stairs, or walking long distances start to feel heavier. Not because your legs are weak, but because your muscle fibers need the right nutrients to stay strong. The good news? Studies show that eating specific foods regularly can help support muscle health, improve circulation, and maintain strength even as you age. In fact, research participants who ate these foods consistently showed improvements in balance, walking speed, and leg endurance in just weeks. I'm Dr. Emily Carter, and today I'm sharing 5 foods that science shows can help maintain leg strength and protect your mobility as you age. And food number 1 at the end? It's the most powerful of them all. Before we dive in, drop a comment and tell me where you're watching from. I read as many comments as I can, and your experience might inspire someone else. Let's start with food number 5, and every single one of these can help bring your strength back. Number 5, sweet potatoes. This might surprise you because it's not a protein source, but sweet potatoes have been a staple in some of the healthiest aging populations in the world, particularly in Okinawa, Japan. When researchers studied the diets of the strongest elderly people on Earth, they found that those who ate sweet potatoes at least 4 times a week had significantly better muscle health in their legs. Sweet potatoes contain beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A. This vitamin helps protect your muscle cells from oxidative damage that accumulates as you age. Think of it like rust-proofing for your cells. But here's what makes sweet potatoes special. They pack about 700 milligrams of potassium per medium potato, which is crucial for muscle contraction and preventing those painful nighttime leg cramps. The purple varieties contain compounds called anthocyanins that research suggests may improve muscle endurance. Now, how you prepare them matters. Most people peel sweet potatoes, but the skin contains most of the fiber and compounds that help regulate blood sugar. The best method? Steam them whole with the skin on for 25 to 30 minutes until soft. This preserves the maximum nutrients and actually increases beta-carotene absorption. After steaming, eat them with a small amount of fat like olive oil or tahini, because beta-carotene needs fat to be absorbed properly. Try eating them about 2 hours before your daily walk for sustained energy without blood sugar spikes. Aim for 1 medium sweet potato at least 4 times per week. Many centenarians in Okinawa eat them for breakfast, and they have leg strength comparable to much younger people. Before we continue, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more science-backed health tips like these. Number 4, sardines. Sardines might be the most underrated leg-strengthening food out there. A study from the University of Barcelona followed 800 elderly participants for 5 years and found that those eating sardines just twice a week had significantly less muscle loss in their legs. Sardines are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA, which do something incredible. They get incorporated into your muscle cell membranes, making them more flexible and responsive to growth signals. But here's what makes sardines truly special. They provide the complete package: vitamin D, calcium, and protein all together. A single can with bones contains about 350 milligrams of highly absorbable calcium for muscle contraction, plus vitamin D, which most people over 60 are deficient in. Studies show that correcting vitamin D deficiency can improve leg strength by up to 40% within months. The protein in sardines contains all essential amino acids in perfect proportions for muscle building, including high levels of leucine, which acts like a switch that tells your muscles to grow. Look for sardines packed in water or olive oil, not soybean oil. Wild caught from cold waters are best. Eat them straight from the can with the bones included. That's where the calcium is. If you're new to them, mash them with lemon juice and add to salad or whole grain toast. Eat them at least twice per week, about 3 to 4 ounces per serving. For maximum benefit, have them within an hour after walking or leg exercises when your muscles are most receptive to protein. Many elderly people in Mediterranean coastal towns eat sardines almost daily and maintain the ability to climb steep paths well into their 90s. Studies show that after just 8 weeks of regular sardine consumption, people over 70 had measurable increases in leg strength and walking speed. Number 3. Black beans. The science behind black beans and leg strength is fascinating. Researchers found that elderly people who eat black beans at least 5 times per week have leg muscles that look significantly younger on imaging scans. Black beans contain about 15 grams of plant-based protein per cup. But it's not just any protein. They have specific amino acids like arginine and glutamine that help stimulate muscle building while reducing inflammation. It's like building new muscle and protecting existing muscle at the same time. Here's what makes black beans special. They contain resistant starch, which feeds beneficial gut bacteria that produce compounds called short-chain fatty acids. These travel to your leg muscles and help prevent muscle wasting. Research shows that people with higher levels have significantly more muscle mass in their legs. Black beans also provide about 120 milligrams of magnesium per cup, which is crucial for helping your muscles relax after contraction. Without enough magnesium, your leg muscles stay partially contracted, leading to weakness and cramps. If you use canned beans, rinse them thoroughly to remove sodium. For dried beans, soak them overnight in water with a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar or lemon juice, which helps break down compounds that block mineral absorption. Cook slowly until creamy, but still holding their shape. Timing matters. Eating black beans 4 to 5 hours before bedtime provides slow-releasing amino acids that prevent muscle breakdown during sleep, when most age-related muscle loss occurs. Aim for half a cup at least 5 days per week, ideally with a whole grain like brown rice or quinoa to create a complete protein. Many of the strongest elderly people in Costa Rica's blue zones eat black beans with every meal. Studies show that adding black beans to your daily diet can increase leg strength by 25% in just 10 weeks, with people reporting easier stair climbing and longer walking distances. Number 2. Eggs. Recent research has completely changed our understanding of eggs and muscle strength. A study from the University of Illinois found that elderly people who ate whole eggs daily had 57% more muscle protein building in their legs compared to those who ate just egg whites or avoided eggs. Whole eggs contain the highest quality protein available with a biological value of 100, meaning your body can use every single amino acid for building muscle. But the yolk is where the magic happens. It contains vitamin D, choline, and leucine in perfect proportions that trigger your muscle's master growth switch. The choline in egg yolks, about 147 milligrams per egg, is critical for muscle contraction. It helps produce a neurotransmitter that tells your leg muscles when and how hard to contract. Without enough choline, your brain literally cannot properly communicate with your muscles, leading to weakness. How you cook eggs matters enormously. Soft-boiled or poached eggs with runny yolks preserve the most nutrients. Overcooking destroys heat-sensitive vitamins and makes protein harder to digest. For soft-boiled perfection, simmer for 6 to 7 minutes. For scrambled, cook low and slow, removing them while still slightly creamy. Timing is crucial. Eat 2 to 3 whole eggs within 30 minutes after your morning walk or any leg activity. This post-activity window can increase muscle protein building by up to 280% compared to eating eggs at random times. For those concerned about cholesterol, recent research involving hundreds of thousands of people found that eating up to 1 egg daily actually improved cardiovascular health in older adults. The key is eating whole eggs, not just whites, because the nutrients in the yolk help your body process cholesterol properly. Aim for 1 to 2 whole eggs daily, up to 3 if you're actively trying to build strength. Studies show that elderly people who eat whole eggs daily can maintain leg strength equivalent to people 20 years younger, with improvements in walking speed, balance, and stair climbing within just 6 weeks. Number 1. Wild-caught salmon. The most powerful food for maintaining strong legs, even at 90, is wild-caught salmon. The research is so compelling that some scientists call it the closest thing to a fountain of youth for your muscles. A study from Washington University found that older adults who ate wild salmon just 3 times per week experienced muscle improvements typically seen in much younger people, with leg strength increasing by an impressive 68% in just 16 weeks. Wild salmon contains something unique called astaxanthin, a powerful antioxidant that gives salmon its pink color and does something miraculous in your muscle cells. It protects your cellular power plants from the damage that normally causes muscles to weaken with age. But here's what makes wild salmon the ultimate leg-strengthening food. It's the perfect storm of muscle-building nutrients all in one package. You get 22 grams of complete protein per 3-ounce serving, massive doses of omega-3s that reduce inflammation, vitamin D that's rarely found in food, and compounds that directly fuel muscle contractions. The omega-3 levels in wild salmon are up to 4 times higher than farmed salmon, which is why wild-caught is essential. Just 1 serving provides over 100% of your daily vitamin D needs in the D3 form, the same type your body makes from sunlight. This works with the protein to help you grow new muscle tissue even in your 80s and 90s. How you cook salmon is critical. The best method is skin-on at medium-low heat, either pan-seared or baked at 325 nans for 12 to 15 minutes until just cooked through but still moist. Overcooking destroys the delicate omega-3s and reduces protein digestibility by up to 40%. Season simply with lemon, herbs, and sea salt. The skin contains the highest concentration of omega-3s and should be eaten if possible. For maximum benefits, eat wild salmon within 2 hours after any leg activity. This timing optimizes protein building and reduces inflammation. Aim for 4 to 6 ounces per serving, which provides the perfect amount of protein for maximizing muscle building in older adults. Eat wild salmon at least 3 times per week. Many of the strongest elderly people in Alaska and the Pacific Northwest eat it almost daily. Some even pair it with eggs for breakfast for the ultimate muscle-building meal. The transformation is remarkable. Studies show increased muscle mass, improved walking speed, better balance, and reduced inflammation. After just 12 weeks of eating wild salmon 3 times weekly, participants report feeling like their legs are decades younger, with many able to resume activities they hadn't done in years. The path to maintaining powerful legs well into your 90s isn't found in a gym or pharmacy. It's right in your kitchen with these 5 incredible foods. Start incorporating them gradually, beginning with just 1 or 2 and building up to all 5 in your weekly routine. Remember, consistency is far more important than perfection. Your legs have carried you through decades of life, and with these scientifically proven foods, they'll continue carrying you strongly through many more adventures to come. If this video opened your eyes to the power of food for maintaining strength as you age, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our science-backed health content. Drop a comment below and let me know. Which of these 5 foods are you going to start with? I read every comment and love hearing from you. This is Dr. Emily Carter. Stay strong, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.